Tenant states, my dryer's screaming at me. Sounds fine to me. Oh, there's something. Okay, now it's screaming at me. Let's get it all pulled apart. That rear bearing has probably gone bad by now. So the rear bearings in these are supposed to have little plastic grooves that the drum sits down in, that rear bearing, but you can see completely flat. No grooves at all. I'll show you on this new one how it's supposed to look. You see those grooves down in there? That's how it's supposed to look. Grab that bracket that goes on the backside and pop it back on there. All that brown and black stuff, that's just material from the bearing wearing. We're gonna put a new front felt on it as well, since you could tell that the other one was pretty burned out. So let's glue on the new one. Alright, let's test out the machine, see if it keeps screaming. Much better. On to the next one.